made it. My plan was ambitious, but I think I am able to do it. It's a beautiful day, it's cloudy, and I am planning to have some zucchini and some spices, and my stove is on this barbecue. So I am trying this. I wanted to always do this. My topic is conscious cooking, and according to that, I wanted to share some scientific research also, that when we cook, we should be conscious of cooking, and it does affect us, how we cook, in which mood we cook, and when we put that energy in our food, that affects the food, the taste. So let's see, I'm going to try that today. So I'm going to cook this. And while I cook, if you are there, please send your comments, and we can have some. I'm not sure if I can attend to the chat, because it will be harder for me to cook and attend to the chat. So the point was that I thought that during the summertime I can be out here or in my kitchen, and in the kitchen I can be in any time, during the winter time also. But I wanted to cook in a nice environment. Mainly what I have been learning about is conscious living, which includes everything: conscious cooking, consciously talking, be aware of yourself and what you do, right? So we have all the ingredients in there, and now I am. Did you see that? It was really extremely simple. All right. The point of all this is that how our intentions, how what we put into whatever we do, whether it is cooking, whether it is our work, yeah, it's the professional work, or like I do my podcast, it has to be an enjoyable, a good experience for me to keep doing it. If it is not, then I need to visit my work, if that is giving me joy, is it helpful for others. So it's not only me, it is supposed to be, the thought is that you need to think about others, if it serves others as well. So when I cook food, this is not only for me, this is for my family, and I am making it with good intentions, that I hope this nourishes us well. And thinking of the Islamic way, we have, when we pray, we intend before we pray. So there is always some intention. Even in other faiths and traditions, we do our intention, and then we get into anything across. तो कहने का मकसद ये है उर्दू में कि जो भी हम सोचते हैं, जो हम नियत करते हैं, उसका असर होता है, उसका जो, चाहे हम खाना पकाएं, अब देखेंगे कैसा धुआं निकल रहा है और वो गल रहा है. So I just wanted to give you this idea of how important this is, that we are in good mood, in happy mood, and with good intentions. Even if you're not up to it, make it, and it will happen. I took the risk today. It is cloudy, it might drizzle and rain, so I think I'm going to end my cooking session here. So it is, as you can see, it is cooking. It needs to get tender so we can eat, but I think it's the simplest recipe. I can share the recipe if you want. And we are done out here. जो भी हम नियत से काम करते हैं और अच्छी नियत से करें या खुश होके करें, उसका असर आता है. हम खाना बनाएं तो वो जायकादार हो जाता है. अक्सर हम कहते हैं, ओह ये कैसे आपने बनाया, मैंने भी ऐसे बनाया था, ये क्या हुआ. तो बच्चों को कितना अच्छा लगता है अपनी माँ का खाना, क्योंकि माँ इतने शौक़ से, इतने प्यार से और खुशी से बनाती है। इसलिए हर बच्चे को अक्सर अपनी माँ का खाना अच्छा लगता है। माँओं को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है अपने बच्चों को अच्छा खाना खिलाना या देना। I was talking about in Urdu about like how mothers cook the best they can for their children mostly. But we are talking about those majority that I have come across that children love their mother's food. Somebody else might taste it and not like it, but that child loves his mother's food because the mother is making that intention and especially giving to her son or daughter that oh, I want to make him or her happy and all that. So those are the intentions and those thoughts that are behind doing anything. So that's it. I think I will end my live episode here. Thank you. शुक्रिया जी आपका ट्यून इन होने का, जिन्होंने भी देखा। और अगर आप ये बाद में देख रहे हैं तो अपने कमेंट से और मुझे अपनी सोच से आगाह करें कि ये आपको कैसा लगा, आपको ये बातें कैसी लगीं, और बताइए कि आप क्या ऐसे करते हैं। आप खाना पकाने से पहले अच्छा सोच के करते हैं, मूड नहीं भी अच्छा या मूड और ख़राब हो जाता है, क्या होता है, तो उसके बारे में आप मुझे ज़रूर बताइए। ओके, खुदा हाफिज़।